Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a divorce with LegalShield, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by acknowledging the emotional toll of divorce. Understand that recovery is a journey often requiring legal help. Familiarize yourself with the resources provided by LegalShield. Visit the LegalShield website to explore membership options. Sign up for a plan that suits your needs. Make sure to review the benefits included in your chosen membership. Reach out to a LegalShield lawyer to discuss your specific situation. Prepare all relevant documents that pertain to your divorce. Schedule a consultation with your attorney. During the consultation, be open and honest about your feelings and concerns. Discuss potential legal actions you may need to take. Inquire about child custody and support, if applicable. Ask about property division and spousal support options. Take detailed notes during your meeting for future reference. Follow up with your attorney on any additional questions or documents needed. Utilize legal resources and articles available through your LegalShield account. Connect with support groups and communities for emotional healing. Consider therapy or counseling as an additional support system. Practice self-care and focus on your mental well-being. Reflect on lessons learned from the divorce. Set goals for your future, both personally and professionally. Allow yourself time to grieve and heal. Embrace the new chapter in your life with optimism and resilience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.